This is John of Art here at POLOMOLok. This is just a quick stop over in Ilonggo. A stop means pundo. So, nagpundo lang kami diri. We have a short stop over for pee break and also for sending money. And this is POLOMOLok. So, a short history about POLOMOLok. It is from the Blaan term Flomlok. Blaan is a tribal group, the natives of POLOMOLok, and it used to be Flomlok, meaning hunting ground. So this place used to be thriving with so much wildlife, and there were no roads then at the time. Now I'm at the center of the poblacion. This is the marketplace actually. So there you have it, a short history of POLOMOLok here in South Cotabato. POLOMOLok is actually famous for its pineapples. The Dole plantation is right in this town. I think it's applying for cityhood. Right? Flomlok, hunting ground. This is John of Art, and thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.